Role play. Two words that make some people prick up their ears and others. But what if I told you that this one learning tool could transform your confidence, your skills, and your performance in very real world situations? Welcome back to Feel Good Factor's Learning Live Role Play, where we explore the practical, powerful tools that help you to become your best, boldest, and most capable self. Now, let's be honest. Traditional style role play has a bit of a reputation.
Oh no.
Some people, the more show-offy types, absolutely love it.
Woohoo!
Some people dread it with a passion. And some people would rather chew gravel than pretend to be Mr. Jones or Sergeant Edwards in any sort of scenario. But here's the thing. Human interaction, communication and connection are at the heart of everything that we do. Look at things like conflict resolution, effective communication, customer service, leadership, crisis management, or maybe those difficult conversations. These aren't just random learned skills, though. They are lived experiences, kinesthetic learning, or learning by doing. And the best way to prepare for issues in real life is to experience life-like situations in a safe, structured, supportive learning environment. That's where that learning by doing can become incredibly powerful. It helps you to build mental muscle memory. So when a real situation hits, it is just so much better equipped to kick in, to remember, and to perform. Think of this. Do elite athletes or successful business people just go out and do it? No, they don't. They practice and prepare for a variety of circumstances. So you can think of role play as the practice match before the real big game. As I said before, safe and supported. No consequences, no judgment, no dangers. Just an opportunity to grow. And the best part? Our scenarios are never one size fits all. We will design them with you and your organization, tailored every detail so that you can test exactly what matters to you. Think about your challenges, your people, and your real-world pressures. You tell us what you need, and together we can make it happen. So, whether you're a role-play lover or a role-play loather, or maybe somewhere in between, remember this. Practicing and developing real people skills with real people isn't embarrassing. It's preparing. It's empowering. It sets you up to have the competence, confidence, and calm control when it really counts. If this video in some way opened up your mind, do 3 quick things. Like the video. Comment below. Are you a role play lover or loather? Subscribe to Learning Live Roleplay for more powerful tools to boost your confidence, communication, and real-world resilience. And remember, real growth always starts with real practice and then real application.